Good morning, class. Good morning to each and everyone. Welcome back to my class. Students, we are on chapter number 12 of grammar and we are learning adjective, the comparisons of adjective, right? Students, today what we are going to learn? We are going to learn the formations of comparative and superlative degree. Let me explain you what we are going to do today. Today we are going to learn how to form comparative degree and superlative degree. Students, what I want to say is that example, I have written here one word like FAT, fat. Now this is positive degree. It's positive degree. ये positive degree है. Now how to change this one to comparative degree? This one to comparative degree and the same word into superlative degree, the same word into superlative degree. Students, we are going to learn for the formations of comparative and superlative degree. I hope you understand what we are going to learn today. First of all, you should know that what we are going to do today. आज हम क्या करने वाले हैं ये आपको जानना आवश्यक है. Then only we will move or march forward. Students, can you understand that what we are going to do? How to change comparative degree, positive degree to comparative degree and superlative degree. Okay. Now there are some 4-5 rules which I'm going to teach you today. So students, let us see and let us focus on the first rule. Let us focus on the first rule, students. So let me write down the first rule: formations of comparative and superlative degree of positive degree. Now students, let us see rule number 1. Everybody look carefully. Rule number 1. What does rule number 1 says? Rule number 1 क्या कहता है? Let us see. In most of the one syllable, in most of the one syllable adjective, sorry, we add er or r. Look here, er or r to positive degree, to form comparative degree. And we add est or st to positive degree, to form superlative degree. Now the first thing what I want to inform you is that look here, read this first rule. In most of the one syllable means the word which can be spoken at one time. We don't use 2-3 words to spell it. So that is called one syllable. Like look here, beautiful. Beautiful. It's 4 syllable. कितना syllable है बेटा इसमें? ये 4 syllable है. But we are going 3 syllable. It's not 4 syllable. It's beautiful. It's 3 syllables, right, students? Now I have written here in most of the one syllables adjective. कुछ ऐसे adjectives होते हैं जो one syllables के होते हैं. Like you can take an example of small, tall. All these are one syllables, examples of one syllable. Okay, so in such type of adjective we add er to positive degree. ये positive degree है. इस positive degree में हम er या r add करके उसको किस में change करते हैं? Comparative degree में. Okay, now let me read out once again, students. First of all, let us read this. In most of the one syllable adjective we add er or r to positive degree to form comparative degree, and we add est or st to positive degree to form superlative degree. Now let us see the examples here. Students, look at the example here. I am writing here P, it's for positive degree. P is for positive degree. POS, okay, positive degree. Or let me write down here positive. It's positive degree. Now it's here. What I'm going to write here? Comparative degree. And the last one, it will be a superlative degree. Now let us see some of the example of one syllables. Okay, students, now look here. I have written here small. It's one syllable. So in most of the cases, ज्यादातर हम क्या करते हैं? In every comparison words we use, ये mentally आप prepare रहिएगा. Mentally be prepared that you are going to use er and est in every. er and est हम सब में ऐड करते हैं, but there are some differences. Let us see one by one. So this is the first rule. So look here, small. If we change degrees to this positive degree, to change in comparative degree, we have to add er or r. Okay, now we are going to add here er. SMALLER. Small, smaller. Now, to change it to superlative degree, this positive degree, this is positive degree. In this positive degree, we are going to add est or s. So we are going to add est as SMALLE. Sorry for the inconvenience. Look, come back to the class, students. We are on chapter number 12, grammar, and we are learning comparisons of adjective. Today, we are going to learn about the formations of how to form a positive degree, how to form a positive degree to comparative degree and comparative degree to superlative degree. Yes. So I have written here in the rule number 1 that in most of the cases, what happened in one syllable adjective, we add er or r to the positive degree, means this is positive degree. In this positive degree, I am going to add er or r. I'll give you the example of r also, but here I am adding here er to form it to comparative degree. Now इस positive degree को comparative degree में change करने के लिए मैंने er use किया. Okay, now look here, small, smaller. Now the same thing, what happened in superlative degree? Now what is this? Small, I am going to use est. It's a rule that you are going to use est in positive degree to form it to superlative degree. Now look at the another example. It's brave, brave, brave. Now what happened? Now this is positive degree, I have to change to comparative degree. Now what I'm going to add? er. No, I'm not going to add here er because e is already available in this word. E पहले से इस word में available है. So what I'm going to use here? R. Okay, now look here. Brave, braver. Now next, to make it now to change this positive degree to superlative degree, am I going to use est? No, I'm not going to use est because e is already present in this word. So I am going to use here only st. So I can write here brave, braver, bravest. I hope it is clear, students. Clear, everybody? Yes. Now, once more, let us see some more examples. Two more examples I can show you till here. Yes, I can show you two more examples. Now, look here. Kind. Now, what I am going to use here to change this positive degree kind to kinder, I am going to use here er or r. Show me. Er is for first and r is for second, two fingers. What I am going to use here? First finger or second finger? एक उंगली दिखाते हो तो er होगा, दो उंगली दिखाते हो तो r होगा. What I am going to use? First one. Very good. Yes. Kind, kinder, and kindest. Yes. One more example. Loud, louder, loudest. Students, you can take the screenshot, whatever I have written here. This is rule number 1. In most of the one syllable adjectives, we add ER or R to the positive degree to form what? Comparative degree. And we add EST or ST to the positive degree to form its superlative degree. Is it clear, each and everybody? Yes. Everyone, show me your thumb if it is clear, students. Clear? Okay, fine. Thank you very much, students. Now, let us move on to second rule, rule number 2. Now, move on to rule number 2. Let me write it down. What does rule number 2 says? Rule number 2 क्या कहता है? Now, let me write down here. Look carefully, students, that when one syllable adjective ends with a consonant y, with a consonant y, or wait, when in one syllable adjective ends with a consonant and if there is a vowel, before it, before it, comma, we double the consonants, and add er to form comparative degree, and we add est to form superlative degree. Okay, students, now look at the board. What I have written here. What I have written here. Look carefully. When one syllable adjective ends with a consonant. Example, कोई भी word है, one positive degree here. P for positive, C for comparative, and S for superlative degree. Okay, students. Now we are going to study some of the example. Now look here. If one syllable adjective ends with a consonant रहता है अगर last में, yes, and if there is a vowel before that, what consonant है last में और consonant से पहले अगर vowel है, then what we are going to do? We are going to double the consonant. With that last letter, the consonant, we are going to double it. Double कर देंगे उसको. Sorry. We are going to double it. Yes, we will double the last consonant, and what we are going to add? We are going to add er to form comparative degree, and we are going to add est to form superlative degree. Let us see some of the examples. Look here. Some examples. Okay, students. Yeah. Big. B-I-G. Big. See the last letter. बेटा आपको याद होगा what is vowel and consonant. Look here. I have taught you vowels A, E, I, O, U. All these are vowels. A, E, I, O, U are vowels, and the remaining are consonant. Right now, you are in class 5. I don't think मुझे नहीं लगता कि मुझे ये बताना चाहिए. Fine. Okay. Now let's see the last letter. The last letter G is not a vowel. G vowel नहीं है, it's a consonant. So what we are going to do? We are going to double. इसको double कर देंगे. Last consonant को double करेंगे. Look here, B-I-double-G. Now what I am going to add here? I have double the consonant. Consonants को मैंने double कर दिया है. Yes. Now what I am going to add here? I am going to add here ER to form comparative. Yes, ER. Now same thing, I'm going to double here, B-I-double-G. Now what I'm going to add here? I'm going to add here EST. Yes. So इस तरीके से now in this way you can change some of the word adjective or one syllable adjective from positive to comparative to superlative degree, right? Yes. Yes. Fine. Now let us see some more examples. Some more examples, students. You can see here red, R-E-D, red. Okay. Next example, you can see T-H-I and thin. Yes. H-O-T, hot. Yes. Now look here. Look at the last one, last letter. In sub words के last letter में देखिएगा what it is written. Last letter is D. It's a consonant. Okay, just before consonant, what is there? It's a vowel. Consonant से ठीक पहले क्या है? Vowel है. अगर vowels है, then what we are going to do? We are going to double the consonant. इस consonant को हम double कर देंगे. Now, R-E-double-D. Now, here also R-E-double-D. Now, what I'm going to do here? What I'm going to add here in comparative degree, and what I'm going to add here in what? Superlative degree. Students, look here. Red. Compared for comparative degree, I'm going to add ER. Yes, ER. Red, redder, reddest. Yes. Now look at some more example. Thin. Yes. The last letter, it is a consonant, and the letter just before consonant is I, and I is a vowel. I is a vowel. So I am going to double. I am going to double the last consonant letter. So T-H-I-double-N dash. Here T-H-I-double-N dash. What I'm going to do now? To forming this positive degree to comparative degree, I have doubled the last letter, the consonant. Now what I'm going to add here? ER. ER. Thinner, and here EST. Thinnest. Yes. Now again the last example. H-O-double-T dash. H-O-double-T dash. Last letter, what is last letter? Last letter is consonant, and the letter before consonant is a vowel. If it is a vowel, then I am going to what? Double. I am going to double the consonant. Consonant को मैंने double कर दिया. Yes. Now, what I am going to do? To form it to comparative degree, I am going to use ER. ER. Yes, ER. And what about superlative? I am going to add here EST. Yes, EST. I hope it is clear. Show me your thumb. Turn on your video and show me your thumb. Students, rule number 1, rule number 2. Clear? Yes, one more question. One student. Yes. Yeah, Arya, ask your question. Unmute yourself.
Yes, sir. Sir, you have written wrong the spelling of hottest. Hotter.
Hotter. ER. Yes. Fine.
Yes, sir.
Hot, hotter, hottest. Clear? Now it is clear? Clear, everybody? Show me your thumb. Thank you very much. Now let us move on to the next. If you want, you can take a screenshot of this. Now let us move on to the next. Hot, hotter, hottest. Right. Thank you. Now let us see rule number 3. Fine. Now let us move on to rule number 3. Yes. Rule number 3, students. Look at rule number 3. What I'm writing here, please read it. When an adjective means what? Positive degree. When an adjective or a positive degree ends with a consonant Y. then we remove y and remove, or sorry, don't say remove, then we replace y with I. Then we replace y with I and add er to form er. Then we add er to form comparative degree, and we add est to form superlative degree. Students, now this is rule number third. When an adjective or a positive degree ends with a consonant y, if a positive degree ends with y, then what we are going to do? We replace means change karna. Then we replace y with I. We are going to replace y with I, okay, and add and here and add er to form comparative degree, and we add est to form superlative degree. Now let us move on to some of the examples. Look at the examples here. Here I am writing here positive degree. Examples here positive degree, okay. Here I am writing here comparative degree, and here we will write what? Superlative degree. Okay. Now students, let us see some of the example. The example is happy, yes. Easy, yes. Next is what? Heavy, yes. Next we can say dry, yes. Okay, now we can say holy. Okay, now one more example. Okay, no, leave it. Now look here. Last letter y. Last letter. Look at the last letter. What is last letter? Y. Last letter. If the last letter is y, what we are going to do? We are going to replace y को हम replace कर देंगे I से. We are going to replace y. Now let us replace. Let us change it. Happy, HAPPY, y in place of y को replace करेंगे हम किससे? We are going to replace with I, and here also the same thing. I am going to replace here y with I dash. Now look here. I have done. I have replaced y with I. Now for comparative degree, I am going to use here er, happy, happier. Now for superlative degree, I'm going to use here what? EST, happiest, happy, happier, happiest. Fine. Now let us see next. Easy, EASY. So what I'm going to do? I'm going to replace y को replace कर दूंगा I से. Yes, same thing in here. EASI dash. Now what I'm going to add here? I'm going to add here ER. So write down ER. Easy, easier. And for superlative degree, I'm going to add here EST. Yes, in the beginning of the class, मैंने बताया था. In all the cases, we are going to yes. सभी में we are going to S ER or EST. But some little bit differences are there. But in most of the cases, हम क्या use कर रहे हैं? ER and EST. Am I right, students? Yes. Fine. Now look at the next one. Heavy, HEAV. Y in place of Y, I am going to write here I. Replace it. Now in superlative degree, the same thing. HEAVI. Next blank. Now what I'm going to do here, students? Now I am going to replace. I have replaced. मैंने replace कर दिया. First condition was that replace y with I. पहला condition था कि हमें y को I में change करना है, replace करना है, कर दिया मैंने. Now for comparative degree, what I'm going to do? I'm going to add ER. So add it ER. heavy, heavier, EST, heaviest. Got it? Fine. Next, dry, DR. In place of Y, I am going to replace it with I dash. Next is DRI dash. Same thing. This positive degree ending with Y. I have replaced Y with I. I have replaced Y with I. Now what I'm going to do, I'm going to add ER to change or to form it into a comparative degree. So I'm going to use here ER. Dry, drier. Next, driest, EST. Okay, now let's see one more. Last example, it's holy, HOL. In place of Y, what I'm going to write? I. Replace it, I dash. Next is again in superlative degree, HOL. In place of Y, I am adding here I blank. Now, what I'm going to do in case of comparative degree, I'm going to add ER, and in case of superlative degree, I'm going to add here EST. Got it, class? Yes. Yeah, unmute.
Sir, meaning of holy?
Holy, pavitra.
H-O-L-Y, holy.
Yeah, holy, pavitra. It's an adjective. Okay. Pavitra.
And meaning of holy? Okay.
Sorry, holy.
Thank you, sir.
Fine, thank you. Any other question? I hope you understand, everyone. Everyone, is it clear? Come on, show me your thumb. Show me your thumb, beta. समझ में आ गया हो तो thumb दिखाओ कि yes sir, it is clear. Okay, thank you very much. Now let us move on to rule number 4. Okay, now class, let us move on to rule number 4. Yes, rule number 4, it's that by adding what? ER, by adding ER and EST, by adding ER and EST to the positive degree, to the positive degree, which ends with Y preceded by vowels. Same thing, same rule number 3 के जैसा ही है, same है. The reason is that now in this case there is one word example. Let us see example. Here I am writing here one example. Look at the example, students. The example is that gray, G-R-E-Y, gray. What is the last letter? Y. In rule number 3 we have studied that we are replacing, इसको हम replace कर रहे थे, लेकिन अब हम replace नहीं करेंगे. We are not going to replace this because just before, look here, G-R-E-Y, last letter is Y, and what is this? This is a vowel. अगर ये vowel रहता है तो इस केस में हम इसे replace नहीं करेंगे I से. We are not going to replace Y with I. Now simply what we are going to add? The first rule, जो पहला rule है वही add करेंगे. Now here the first rule will work. Here you are not going to use rule number 3. In rule number 4 you are not going to use rule number 3. In this case the last letter is Y and it is preceded by E. And what is E? E is a vowel. E is a vowel. Now change it. Gray, grayer, grayest. Clear students? I hope you understand कि अगर last letter Y है और Y से पहले अगर vowel आता है तो y को हम चेंज नहीं करेंगे. यस, नाउ लुक हियर, गे, गेयर, gayest, lay. Okay, no, lay, it's a verb. Okay, no problem. Some more examples you can find out. आप कुछ और example find कर सकते हैं. अगर last में y है, if there is y at the end, in the end, at the end of that word, then see the letter preceded by it. उससे पहले जो letter है उसको check करिएगा. Okay. And if it is a vowel, then what you are going to do? You are going to use er for comparative degree and est for positive degree. I hope it is clear. Rule number 1, 2, 3, 4 clear. Yeah, I hope you got it, students. Fine, for today, we will conclude from here. I'm going to conclude here. Now, if you have any doubt, it's your turn. You can ask.